Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Sunday, October 20th. We're going to have high pressure continue pretty much all week, and with that will bring dry conditions and gradual warming over what we have today. Temperatures will be around normal to slightly above normal today and rise just around 10 degrees or so above normal as we go out throughout the week. I'll show you that here in a minute. We're not looking for any precip all week, and potentially it would be about 2 weeks before we look like we have a chance of precip. I'll show you that outlook for the 2-week precip and temperatures here in a second. Again, as I mentioned, high pressure is going to continue all week. We do have 2-week waves. I look to go through the high pressure. One is Monday late into Tuesday. We'll bring some clouds, a slight chance of precip to our northern areas, northern central mountains, upper Snake Plain, maybe the Limhi Salmon area, just a trace, a little bit of precip in that area. Will be a little bit breezy as well, but I mean just gust of 20, maybe 25 in some areas in our far northern region and maybe the upper Snake Plain. As we go into Wednesday into Thursday, we do have another weak wave. This one doesn't look like it's going to bring any precip or clouds. It does look like it'll bring a slight uptick in the winds, particularly the upper Snake Plain. Here's our current satellite. We have high pressure with just high clouds moving up over that high pressure, mainly in our extreme northern areas. We have a little bit of patchy fog, particularly over waterways. There was some fog last night along the Snake River from Antelope Flats to Swan Valley. Then we're looking like we have that, like I said, mentioned that weak wave Monday and a Tuesday will bring some clouds, a little bit breezy conditions, and perhaps showers in our extreme northern areas. And then that weak wave on Thursday, just a little bit of wind. It's all about temperatures for the next several days. We'll do look to be below freezing for most areas today, but not as bad as yesterday. And then here's your high temperatures, 60s, really nice. And then your high temperatures a little bit even more ahead of that wave. There might be a few 70s in there, particularly in our western areas as we go into Monday. And there's your low temperatures, still some below freezing. And then Tuesday, there's your temps slightly warmer for your lows and a little bit lower for your highs. And as you go into Wednesday, you can see that your temperatures are pretty much still the same. And then Thursday, warm up just slightly. Precip, not looking hardly anything except for our northern areas. Like I said, mainly on Monday into Tuesday evening into Tuesday morning. And then as you go into 8 to 14-day outlook, looks like it's good news. We have a good chance to being above normal precip and below normal temperatures. So it looks like there'll be some types of waves moving through our area that can potentially bring us some precip, which is good news. Just a recap, we're going to have high pressure the entire week. Just a couple of waves moving through that high pressure, very low impact, just a slight chance of precip on Monday. Not even any precip, looks like on Thursday, just a little bit of uptick in winds each day. So that concludes the briefing. If you have any questions, give us a call here at this number. Thanks.